Swiss train manufacturer Stadler Rail has chosen Indonesia as its manufacturing base in Asia, with a new production facility to be built in East Java.
Stadler will establish the facility through a joint venture with Indonesian state-owned companies PT Inka and PT KAI. The plant, located in Banyuwangi, East Java, will be built with an initial investment of around $100 million. The factory is expected to produce up to 125 rail cars annually, supporting both domestic demand and potential exports to other Asian markets. The project is also part of Stadler's long-term expansion strategy in the region. The investment is expected to create new job opportunities, encourage technology transfer, and strengthen Indonesia's railway manufacturing industry, while reinforcing the country's position as a growing rail production hub in Asia.